It's recording. Okay. We're doing it, guys. It's happening. We're doing it.
Yay.
All right. This is the chi-squared independence test. You're going to need your chi-squared chart from yesterday. I think this is like my favorite hypothesis test. Did I say that before?
The two samples or something.
Oh, I do like the ones that are, I do like the
Before and after thing.
the before and after ones. But the fun thing about this one is what you can do is you can see if there's a correlation between two sets of things. So for example, in this one, is there a correlation between your favorite way to eat ice cream and whether you're a boy or a girl? It's a lot of interesting questions you can answer on this one. So chi-square independence test is showing whether two events are independent or dependent. Well, shows whether two, how did they write it? Two, do they say variables? Yeah, two variables are independent. That means one doesn't affect the other. An R by C contingency table stands for rows and columns. When you read a matrix, you read it like an L. So this is how many rows you have going down, and this is how many columns you have going across. So like this one, not including the total columns, how many rows are there? No, not including the total columns, so 2, right? 2 by
7, 6,
5. These are titles, and these are totals. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Basically, a contingency table shows the observed frequencies. In a sample. The formula for finding the expected frequency for contingency table cells is, I don't like this, but this is how they write it. The expected frequency, and this is row, comma, column. So they would say like 1, 2, or 1, 1, if you're looking in the top left spot, is equal to the sum of the row times the sum of the column and then divided by your sample size. It looks like I just wrote Eric, doesn't it?
That's what I said.
Yes.
Oh, did you say that?
Can I just do sigma R and sigma C?
Yes.
Those look pretty easy.
Yes. So now you find the expected frequency for each cell in the above contingency table. So remember, these are the observed frequencies. So now we're going to do the expected frequencies. I'm going to make this like a giant looking table because I'm going to do all of my work inside the table too. But it's just going to be a 2 by 5. Oh, they all uploaded. We'll see if they work in a bit. Okay, So if I'm looking for, this spot would be E1 comma 1. This spot is the expected frequency of, it's row 1, spot 2. So row comes first, 1, 2. This is E1, 3, E1, 4, E1, 5. What's this one down here?
E21.
Good. E2, 2. Now, your calculator will actually calculate all of these expected frequencies for you, doing a chi-square test of independence. All you have to do is put the original observed frequencies in, and it'll calculate all this for you. But we're going to show this one by hand, just in case this comes up on an AP exam where they make you calculate it and show your work. So it's the sum of the row. So let's see, we're talking about a male eating ice cream out of a cup. So that'd be the sum of the row, which is 1,200, times the sum of the column, which is 1,002, and then divided by, how many total do we have?
2002.
Mm-hmm. Go ahead and put that in your calculator. Did you guys get 546.55? Okay. I'm gonna do one more with you, and then we're gonna split up the work. Sound good?
Why do you have point two?
I have, yeah,
Okay. This should be 0.55. I just decided to write 0.22. For no good reason. Did I even say 5.5?
No, you did, yeah.
Neat. Okay. All right, let's try this one, the 2, 3. Okay, so what is the summation of row 2?
1,000.
1,000, and what's the summation of column 3? Good. And then you divide by 2,200 again. Get 174.55. That's silence.
no, I did.
You did? Notice that I wrote 5.5 this time after I said it. Not to brag. Okay. So let's split up the work. I'm not going to write all of the work, but I do want you to write the work for just the 2 that I ask you to do. Okay? Noah, I'm going to have you do this one and this one. Justin, can you do this one and this one? Natalie, will you do this one and this one? And Georgia, will you do this one and this one? Noah, you ready?
Yeah, so that one will be 1,200 times 635 divided by 2,200, and that's 346.36.
This one?
and then.
You just tell me the final answer.
61.36.
Okay. Justin, you ready?